Hey, Jay Graham's here, Volo Auto Museum. I've really been looking forward to doing this video today. I'm excited about this car for many reasons, which I'll tell you all about it. So make sure you watch. We're going to go around the whole car and got some great stuff to offer. It's an RSSS 350 1969 Camaro. That alone is something that's very desirable. I mean, obviously it's a hot looking car, but let's take it for a spin and I'll tell you everything I like about it. It's called the highest option 69 Camaro. I don't know if that's true, but I will say it's loaded with factory accessories. Air conditioning, Rally Sport Super Sport. It's got the full gauge cluster, tachometer, a working clock, exterior trim package. That's the louvers, the chrome moldings, has the SS wheels, has the halo vinyl top. It has spoilers, it has a hockey stick stripe, it has the AM FM radio with the 4 speakers, it has power windows, it has a tilt wheel, it has bumper guards. So again, this is a loaded car. It's also a numbers matching car. It has the original VIN number matched motor. It has the factory code 72 for Hugger Orange, and it is a factory white Houndstooth Deluxe interior. There's more. Wait, there's more. It has 59,000 actual documented miles. The title is labeled as actual miles. It has all the original body panels. This is an Arizona car, all the original metal. Car runs and functions really well. At one time, someone did restore the car, gave it an incredible show quality paint job. Even the underside of this car was taken apart and restored. If you go to volocars.com, on our website, you'll get all the specs, pictures of the underneath. But here's in the motor compartment, everything's bone stock. The air cleaner, even the heat riser tube is still there. Spring clamp battery cables, the right fuel filter, the right master cylinder, it's a deep one. It even, on the washer pump, it even has the extra pump for the squirters. The headlights have squirters on the lights. So very authentic. I see the right hose clamps, the shroud, the radiator cap, everything is the way it should be. The interior is in very nice condition. The vents, the dash, the instruments, everything's very nice. It's not beat up. Interior light works. That's another thing. It has the light group too. It has the light under the hood. This really impressed me. The trunk has the spatter paint that it left the factory with, not the stuff in the spray can. Like 99 out of 100 cars that come in here have been spray canned. This is the original spatter paint in the trunk, which means these are the original quarters because it's the original factory paint from inside. The door jambs are nice, weather strips are nice. So really think about what I'm telling you. The colors are awesome. The options are off the chart. It's low miles. It's original rust free. This is the car that everyone always wants. They want this, that, and that. This car has this, that, and that. I'm going to start it up once for you. The interior lights are working. Clock is working. And even the headlight door is open. The gauges have that green backlight to them. That's the way they were. The heater controls are all lit up real nice. Honestly, the radio works. I hear static in stereo, but we're inside a metal building. It won't pick up any stations in here. The factory seat belts are in really nice shape. The correct cigarette lighter. Inside the glove box is real nice. This has all the Rosewood trim. So yeah, this is a really special car. Nice 350 motor, turbo 350 trans, has its original 12-bolt rear end. This car just speaks for itself. Oh, I forgot to shut the headlights off while it was running. They're vacuum headlight doors. So I believe the car needs to be running to open and close them. The paint even feels smooth and slick to the touch. I haven't seen any flaws in the paint. It's smooth and slick everywhere. The body gaps are nice. It's straight. There's no bubbling. No issues at all. So please go to volocars.com. You'll check this car out top to bottom, get all the specs. We have a few hundred cars on there for sale. Really cool cars, but this one is really special. I'm telling you, I've been doing this a long time. This has all great ingredients. This is the car that people say they are looking for. This is it right here, available right now. Volocars.com. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'll be putting on a couple cars a day, as cool as this one.